To make this bunny ornament really wintry, we are going to add some snow. And this will be lots of French knots. I'm using 2 strands of moulinet thread, and I will make this small French knots that represent snowflakes. I'm holding a thread here like this, rolling 2 times, going in, not at the same spot, but just slightly near to. And most importantly, when you make French knots, is that you see how the knot is created on the needle, and you put your thumb here to fix the position, and you will release the thumb only at the end. So whenever, if something happens, if some unexpected knot or jam, you can fix it because you have your main thread near the French knot fixed with the thumb. See. Hey, I just finished front side of the bunny. Now we got to stitch everything together. Find the position of the front and try to hang the ornament to see where you want this middle to be. Where in the end we are going to okay, I think it's good. So I'll make one stitch here. This is how I centered. Okay. And now I'm going to stitch with buttonhole stitches all around. The buttonhole stitch that I use is a bit different from the blanket stitch. This is how it goes. I'm going with the needle through both layers. Then I catch a loop in the direction of sewing. Again, go with your needle for the fabric, then catch a loop in the direction of sewing. If you are making a blanket stitch, you would catch a loop here. This would be a blanket stitch. But this is buttonhole stitch, where you just catch the loop from different angle, from different side. What I'm doing when I stitch fast, yes, is that I'm already preparing a loop with the hand, so that I do everything in one move instead of going through the fabric and then through the loop. I'm doing this in one step, like that. Oops. Now that we are about 3/4 around, we'll begin stuffing it with polyester stuffing. I just purchased cheap pillows in our local shop with furniture, and this is the filling that I find inside. This is a polyester artificial filling. You can fill it with something else, but this is an option I usually use. Or if you want, you can make an ornament flat. The tool useful for this is a chopstick. You can use it to push to the borders like this, so that it is evenly stuffed. Okay, we will continue sewing, and if necessary, correct the stuffing until almost finished. This is the same type of stitch, because I now have stuffing inside. More frequently, I will more frequently check if everything is good on front and on the back. Time to correct the stuffing. Okay, I don't have it enough, so I will end here. And bring the needle out here. I will cut this off later. Now I need a new piece of thread. I make double knot like this, and I will start where we finished, here on the back, inner side of last stitches. And I will try to follow the line of the previous stitch, just as nothing happened. Okay, this is okay, like this perhaps. Just a bit of this inside. Where we were, and we'll continue as nothing has happened. Okay, like this. Now that we are at the end, we'll take our ribbon, fold it in half, and catch a loop like here. I don't sew the ribbon inside, just over. So if you decide you don't want a hanging ribbon anymore, you can just pull it out. So I will just check this if it's this is nice. Look, 2 more times. And a knot. Then I bring it out. And snip it off. Also the previous thread. Now at the end I'm going to tie a knot here where we finish the sewing, like this, and then on the other end, sorry, and you can make loop as big as you want. Just cut off what you have if you have this ribbon too long. Voila, here it is. Bye.